Tonight we are in, gdzie jesteśmy? Olsztyn. Olsztyn. It's Marcin's, what is it? It's what's called ferie, which is like winter school holidays. So we decided to get a hotel and come to Mazury. Right there is a massive lake. So it's night time. I'm not going to do it justice. I'm going to come back tomorrow with the camera, put up the drone, hopefully. And hopefully we'll get more snow. Bałwana musimy zbudować. We have to build a snowman and have soplica with it.
I będzie walka na śnieżki.
And snow battle. Yeah, subscribe, like and share. It's gonna get wild in Mazury. Very nice. Very nice. Woohoo! Why is there a sticker on my head? The girls attacked me before. Thanks, Marcin. Best place ever.
Taki sam jak nasz. Możemy pożyczyć krzesło?
Ale ma porządek jeszcze, no popatrz.
Zasnąłem. Ale mam, I have a window.
My też.
Into the snow.
My też, no.
Idź, leć. O, idziemy?
Układajmy tutaj.
Uciekajcie z drogi! Dawaj! Tu jest poduszka. No. Ping-pong znowu. I'm gonna kick your ass. They even have a bowling alley and ping pong tables. This is awesome. Welcome back to the vlog, and we are in Mazury, Olsztyn, not far from the city, in a hotel called Marina Club, which is a 5-star hotel resort situated on a lakes district, like a little island inlet. We're here with my friend's family, Marcin. It's my last full week in Poland. So he said, you really need to go and enjoy yourself. And I feel really spoiled because I'm going to show you my view. It's pretty bloody awesome. This is the view outside my room. I'm literally going out the door and it is snowing. Oh, finally. And I don't know if you can see there in the background, that's a lake. And then on the other side of the hotel is another lake, which means I'm gonna have to put the drone up. Is that yellow snow? Probably. We're gonna do some awesome fun in the snow today. I can't wait. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It's finally snowing. Before we go and get breakfast, I gotta show you this. I had to work last night, so I've hacked the hotel TV into the laptop. It's a very low sitting seat, so I actually had to sit on the floor most of the night. But I managed to finally get into the HDMI port in the TV, which is not a very easy thing to do in a hotel. They really don't want you to mess with their TVs. But I managed to do it, so I had 2 screens because I was like, maybe I need to bring another monitor. But it ended up working. So, thanks, Marina Club.